Let me tell you something. Have you ever been in this situation? You're getting close to a girl. A few days ago, she was really warm toward you. You were texting consistently. She replied fast. Sometimes she even texted you first. You felt a strong connection. Everything seemed to be going well. But suddenly, for no clear reason, she turns cold. Her replies become short. She takes longer to respond, or even starts avoiding you. When you meet her, she's not as enthusiastic anymore. Sometimes she's distant, sometimes she barely talks, and you're left thinking, what happened? What did I do wrong? Bro, if you've been there, you're not alone. A lot of men go through this. She becomes hot and cold. One day she's sweet. The next day she's distant like ice, and you're confused. Should you chase? Should you ask what's wrong? Or just stay quiet? In this video, I'm going to reveal something most men don't understand. I'll explain why women act hot and cold, what it actually means, and most importantly, 3 powerful steps you need to take so you don't fall into the trap that makes you look desperate. Watch until the end, because if you respond the wrong way, you won't just lose attraction, you'll become the kind of guy who gets easily replaced. Why do women act hot and cold? First, you need to understand this. She's not acting that way because she's confusing or just having mood swings. In many cases, it's a test. She's trying to see how emotionally strong you are, whether you have solid boundaries, or if you're easily shaken. She wants to know. If she pulls away, will you panic? Will you chase her? Spam texts? Try too hard to win her back? Because the moment you panic, your value drops in her eyes. And remember this, nothing is more unattractive than desperation. Step 1, stop reacting, start observing. Don't react immediately, start observing. Most men make this mistake. She doesn't reply, they double text. She acts cold, they ask, what's wrong? This is a classic trap. When you react emotionally, you show her that she controls your mood. And once she realizes that, she loses respect, or she tests you even more. So what should you do? Observe, don't react. Pay attention to patterns. When she's warm, when she's cold, what triggers it? Example, she replies late, stay calm. Just notice it, then move on with your day. When you do this, you stop being reactive, you start understanding the game. And women respect men who stay calm and stable. Step 2, pull back harder. If she pulls away, you pull back even more. Most men do the opposite. She gets cold, they chase harder, more texts, more attention, and that makes them less attractive. Remember this, if you reward her cold behavior, she'll keep doing it. Instead, she steps back 2, you step back 3. She replies late, you don't rush. She cancels, you don't chase for another plan. This isn't a game. It shows that your life doesn't depend on her. And that's when she starts thinking, why isn't he chasing me anymore? Am I the one losing him? Step 3, replace her with your mission. Don't make her the center of your life. Focus on your mission. Here's the harsh truth. The more your life revolves around her, the faster she loses respect. Women are attracted to men who have purpose, have direction, have their own life. So when she pulls away, don't overthink. Use that time to go to the gym, work on your goals, build your life, and the result, your energy changes. You become more confident, more focused, more attractive. Closing. So bro, hot and cold behavior is not random. It's a test. And most men fail because they react emotionally, chase too much, seek validation. Now you have the blueprint. Stop reacting, start observing, pull back harder, focus on your mission. If you follow these steps, you won't just regain attraction, you'll earn real respect. Remember, attraction isn't about keeping her happy all the time. It's about staying strong even when she tests you. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever dealt with a hot and cold girl? And how did you respond? Drop your experience in the comments. Thank you. Hope this helps.